In today's video we are going to look at how we can remove objects from photos using Cleanup Pictures. It's easy and fast. This is a good alternative if Photoshop is too complicated for you. Here on the website, you can simply drag the picture you wish to remove an object from. Or you can select it from your gallery. You can continue for free with the SD version, or you could pay if you want an HD version. Below you have a brush that you can select and adjust to the size that you want. Then all you need to do is to highlight the part you want to remove and release the mouse. Here you can see how I'm using the brush to highlight the wolf and then erase it by simply releasing my mouse. You can see that the wolf in the picture is completely gone, and it even recreated the background. At the top, you can click here to either view the original picture or the one that you removed the object from. All is left to do is to download it in your computer. Hope this video was useful to you. See you next time.